So let's cover nice to haves. Like if you could have a perfect kitchen, maybe not to the extreme level, but as a home cook, like something that would really help your cooking. Let's jump into just a few of those I want to give you as an example. This is a universal lid, all right? It actually has a little thing for steam to come out when you want to let the steam come out or not. And the beauty of this size of it fits on a frying pan. So it's just super versatile, this lid. I really use it mostly on my frying pan. It has like different levels here for different size pans. But for me, the game changer is using it on a frying pan. Like I talked about in that pots and pans, just having a frying pan and a saucepan is a game changer. But if you had to pick one universal pan for everything, would be the frying pan. And this just changes the game with that. So check out one of these if you have the opportunity. Then we got a Dutch oven. Dutch ovens are amazing because you can cook so many different things in here. They retain heat. This one's enamel coated, as you can see in there. There's a little bit of different way you cook with these on a stovetop, and that's something we'd get into, but Dutch ovens are great. There's so many different things you can cook in here and retain heat. That cast iron retains heat, and that's what's so cool about these. You can bake bread in these. You can make a stew in these. You can make a soup in these. They're just super versatile. Braising food is amazing. I'm hoping to do a course on that that's just braising. We're jumping into beef and steak, and we jump into beef and chicken and just braising foods. Dutch ovens are amazing. So if you have the opportunity, getting a Dutch oven is a game changer. Last but not least is just a simple crock pot. Like set it and forget it. There's a lot of things you can cook in a Dutch oven that you can also cook in a crock pot. A huge benefit of these is you're gonna set it and forget it, right? You're gonna put everything in there, your stew, your soup, you slow cooking a whole chicken. I got a great video on that. That's the benefit of crock pot. You can set it early and not worry about it, and then it's ready to go at dinner time. So, and these, they're getting super affordable. Another nice to have is an apron. So you see I wear them in my cooking videos, and I try to use them most of the time when I'm cooking in the kitchen. I didn't have any shirts without a splatter stains all over with grease until I got an apron. So I love them. You could put tools in them if you need to. I really don't do that. You got some cool pockets. But aprons are cool just for that fact that you don't get grease all over your clothes. So you can have a few nice shirts. Oh, and another important thing, especially if you're learning how to cook and you're trying to plan everything when you're trying to get through a meal, is a timer. I don't actually have an exact timer, but if you bought a little timer that you could put, right next to your stove when you're cooking, that would be huge. But right now I use either the oven or the microwave if I really needed a timer. So you could typically there's timers on those. Don't use the timed baking function if you're not baking, but a lot of them have just a timer on there or on your microwave. But that could be big for a home cook if you're just learning and you're trying to time out things, say if you're following some type of recipe. The whole idea of my course here, the cooking basics, is for you to gather this knowledge of when you're cooking that you're not gonna have to follow recipes. You're gonna understand how to build flavor and cook food so it tastes really well, and you could go in your fridge and say, all right, what do I have today? I got these vegetables, I got some chicken in there, I got some beef in there, and you'll already have a game plan and understand like how to put the components together to actually be a home cook and not have to be like dreaded to follow a recipe and make sure you have all these ingredients. That's my goal of the course.